Welcome back for another episode, Bonus Kitchen. Today we will make delicious crepes. Crepes are a thin type of pancakes originated in the western region of France during the 13th century and are now enjoyed around the world. They can be savory or sweet. Are you ready? Let's get started! The ingredients that we will need are 3/4 cup plain flour, 2 large eggs, Nutella or you can also use jam, 1 cup fresh milk, fruit of your choice, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter, powdered sugar for dusting, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, add the milk, eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract, then add the dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, salt, and beat them together until it's completely combined and smooth. Now, heat a pan over a medium heat and grease it with butter. And pour about 1/4 cup of the mixture and immediately tilt the pan from side to side to form an even circle. Cook each side about 1 minute each or until it's lightly browned. Then, remove it and stack until ready to serve. Then, repeat it with the remaining mixture. Now, chop the strawberries into thin slices. Set this aside. This recipe makes about 7 crepes. Now, spread the Nutella in the half portion of the crepes. By the way, you can also use jam if you prefer. Lay down the sliced strawberries and fill it up as much as you want. Then fold it. By the way, some people roll this, but I like to fold this one Then, dust it with powdered sugar, and if you like, you can drizzle chocolate sauce. And here's our finished product! Crepes are thin, crispy on their sides, and filled with fruits, jam, or chocolate spread. And if you're craving, you can just make it at home because they are so easy to make. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for the next delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye!